Good morning, students. This is your computer teacher Devdip sir, and as we know, we have already implemented the introduction to HTML as per the reduced curriculum set by that of AWS. So we are proceeding with the continuation of the chapter. So you saw that this chapter was chapter number 5. We had already covered page number 62 and 63. Today we are going to continue from page number 63. We'll start from the different types of tags applicable to that of HTML. Okay, so HTML has normally two tags. One is the container tag and the other is the empty tag. So what are the two tags that are present in HTML? The first being container tag and the second being the empty tag. Okay, now container tags have both starting as well as ending. So a container tag has a start as well as an end. Like whenever you write anything, there is a starting of a sentence which is marked by a capital letter, and when we end a sentence, it's marked by that of a full stop. So rightfully, each tag is enclosed in an angular bracket, okay, that is given. Okay, so please mark this. Each tag is enclosed in an angular bracket, okay, and they have an ending as well as that of a closing given. So mark this as well. Okay, so these come with an ending as well as a closing tag. So opening tag, like if we have to depict opening tag here, so suppose this is how we write an opening tag. So the closing tag will be /HTML in this way. Okay, so this is a closing and opening tag. An empty tag are those tags that do not contain any information. So empty tag are those tags that do not contain any form of information. They do not store any form of information, so therefore they are not having any form of closing. They are not having any form of closing. Alright, so they are only having an opening tag. They are not having any form of closing. Okay, so they are not having any form of opening tag. They are only having closing tag. Alright, now let us see. Some tags have attributes that offer options for different tags. Okay, now what are attributes? Attributes are the variables or values present in a tag. So please note it down. Attributes are of a tag. Like font color. Font color is a tag. Okay, font itself is a tag. Color is the attribute and this is the value. Okay, so font is the name of a tag. Okay, font is a tag. Color is its attribute. So what will be the color? Hashtag Z000FF. That means it's a red color. This is the hex code which you will later on see that this is called a hex code for different color combination. Each font or background color in HTML is denoted by this hex code. Hex code is similar to that of the hexadecimal code that you have learned in the number system. Okay, so what is attribute? Attributes are any form of values that is passed to a tag, and they can be placed in a quotation or with a value followed by that of the equals to sign. Alright, now what are entities? Let us see what are entities. Entities are the special characters that are present or applicable to a web page. Now ideally, what are the special characters present? Ampersand, semicolon, okay, and copyright symbol are the special characters or entities that are applicable to a web page. So three special entities: ampersand, semicolon, or ampersand. Okay, that is the and sign. Now, in order to avoid any form of error, you must note that HTML is case insensitive. So you cannot get any form of error due to capital letter or small letter cases, but the spelling, the approach of writing should be there. Like suppose if you write here CENTRE, like where it is given a line equals to center, if you write CENTRE, so that's an invalid tag, so you will not get an output. So the words, the pronunciation, the approach of writing should be good order. Alright, now rendering in HTML. When a browser displays a web page or reads HTML tag, the process is called rendering. Rendering means collecting or fetching data. So please note, rendering means collecting or fetching data. Now there are different versions of HTML. Now ideally, when HTML was launched, it was launched in version 1.1, followed by 3.2, 4.01, but currently in this era we are looking at HTML5. So which is the current generation of HTML that we are using? The current generation of HTML that we are using is HTML5, because it supports many different forms of tags. So it is having updated tag structure with more rendered features. Alright. Another advanced version called XHTML is an alternative language for coding. Okay. Extensible HTML offers more features to that of an HTML. Okay. So what is an extensible HTML? It offers high-end features compared to that of a traditional HTML. Okay. Now most of the browsers can read both HTML as well as XHTML. Now how do we write the HTML codes? HTML codes are written in text editors such as your Notepad, Notepad++, TextEdit in Apple. So you can use most of the text editors and then save the file by one of the following extensions. Which extension? .htm or .html to save the file. So this is how we could save a file in HTML. And certain HTML editors like Eclipse and Bluefish are also applicable for doing programs of web scripts. Okay, so other than text editors like Notepad and TextEdit, Eclipse and Bluefish are some HTML editors that can help us to do HTML codings. Alright, so if you have any doubt in today's class, please mention your doubts and queries in the WhatsApp group of your class. So if you have any queries, please do not forget to clarify on the doubts. Okay, so with this we come to an end of today's lecture. This is Devdeep sir signing off and wishing you a very nice day ahead. Thank you.